All right, every year Munich, Germany hosts Oktoberfest, a popular tourist destination. But if you're here in Texas, you can experience Oktoberfest here in the Lone Star State. Austin culture is deeply rooted with German roots, so put on those Lederhosen and Drendels and let's have a good time. From September through early October, Austin is home to AustOberfest. Now, did we mention the sausage? A dozen of the best sausage vendors in the state gather for the event. We spoke with AustOberfest expert Brett Brinton on the origins of the festival.
We are the Austin Sängerrunde. The organization has its origins in the mid-1800s. Central Texas saw a huge influx of German immigration, and basically anywhere that Germans settled in the United States, they started musical organizations. Ours formally organized in 1879 and is currently the only surviving organization of our kind in the Austin area. Anywhere you find a German organization, you're probably going to find an Oktoberfest party. And what we realized a couple years ago was that we had a unique opportunity to throw a large public event.
Who are you wearing tonight?
Little designer you've never heard of, no. So actually, this past year I was lucky. I had a business trip that took me to Munich. I'm wearing fresh Tracht this year. So I've got my Lederhosen, my leather shorts, and then my hat here. You may have noticed my pin collection spanning places I visited, things I've done, people I know, and then just past festivals and other events that I've attended.
Well, your outfit's awesome.
Thank you.
And I mean, you should be like Tom Ford designed it. Like, thank you so much for having us out.
Yeah, thank you for coming.
Yeah.
Prost.
Delicious. First up, it was time to sample the best sausage at AustOberfest at Southside Market, the oldest barbecue joint in the area.
Yeah, so this is our original beef sausage. Okay. This is the sausage we're known for. And then this over here is our jalapeno cheddar. It's got the right amount of heat, and then the cheese just like melts in your mouth.
I'm gonna go with the jalapeno first. It does have the right amount of heat. Holy moly, this is amazing. Next, we heard Myers had a delicious family recipe worth tasting.
We've got our famous pork garlic sausage, we've got our jalapeno cheese, and of course our famous Cujo sauce.
That is so flavorful.
So my husband's great-great-grandfather bought the recipe over from Germany.
Really?
And we have never changed the recipe.
But it's also good in this sauce. Is that like a secret sauce that y'all created, or?
My husband did.
Your husband did?
Yeah.
We haven't changed any of the recipes, since my grandfather made them. And one of the recipes, the original, we don't have that here, but the original is the recipe that came over from Germany in the late 1880s.
Wow. Well, I mean, that's awesome. I like eating food with history. And there were plenty of other Texas-based vendors that we had to try. Don't move a muscle, we're taste testing the best beers of AustOberfest when YOLO Texas returns. Hey y'all, welcome back to the show where Ariel is making her way around AustOberfest in Austin, Texas. The AustOberfest venue hosts a Lederhosen-only celebration. The fit may be tight with all the Bratwurst and pretzels. Those dressed up can participate in Stein-holding contest. And if you want to get really into the festivities, get your hair did. With the breweries, polka soundtrack, and German cuisine, AustOberfest feels like you're actually in Munich, Germany. Of course, what is Oktoberfest without beer? We decided to sample the best that AustOberfest had on tap.
All right, we've got 3 beers to try here. We've got Community Beer Co., Bell's Inspired Brewery, and then we've got Karbach. Cheers, y'all. I like that. Very Octobery, makes me think of fall. See this one? Delicious. A little citrusy. I like it. And last but not least, Karbach, a personal favorite of mine. And what can I say? No words to describe how amazing this beer is. I mean, all 3 of these make you feel like October, like Oktoberfest. They take you back. They take you like you're to Munich, Germany, with your stein. All right, I'm going to try to complete all 3 of these beers here. Y'all, I am going to fill up these mugs for me and the camera guys. I have to say a special thank you to Brett and to Rachel for the amazing raid. We're going to go grab some more sausage and enjoy the company here at AustOberfest. See y'all next time.
Want to get in on the German traditions? Check out AustOberfest.com for a schedule of festivities. And mark your calendars for October 23rd if you're in the San Antonio area. Join the city's Tourism Council for the New Horizons Gala celebrating the Alamo City's unique history. And going on October 31st through November 10th is the Halloween Boyle and Brew Festival happening in Selma, Texas. You know we always keep you in the loop of the best events coming to the Lone Star State, and we have a special announcement for an upcoming pop culture convention. Celebrity Fan Fest is flying in the superheroes for a preview weekend of the annual comic convention. The Preview Con will take place October 26th and 27th at the Freeman Expo Halls in San Antonio. The Celebrity Fan Fest Preview Con will bring in Shazam lead actor Zachary Levi, and headlining the event, an acting legend, the Mummy star Brandon Fraser will make his convention debut in the Alamo City. Get limited tickets now at CelebrityFanFest.com and also book photo ops, meet and greets, and autograph ops. It's the weekend before Halloween, so get your tickets now because they're going fast.